Hi guys, this is Manish and in today's video I'm going to tell you about that the Motorola has done something great, finally something great into the Indian market by the launch of this Motorola G8 Plus. The main highlights of this phone is specification, is 4000 mAh battery and of course the price. The price is enough competitive which you can easily compete with the Redmi phones and with the Realme phones. So let me first tell you about the specification of this Motorola G8 Plus. So on the Motorola G8 Plus, on the back side you're going to find the triple rear camera setup, which is of 48 megapixel plus 60 megapixel, which has a wide angle of 107 degrees and the 5 megapixel for your macro lens, which can enough take your picture close up if you are taking a picture of the flower or of the leaves. On the back side again you're going to see the fingerprint sensor with the Motorola logo on the top of it. If you come on the front you're going to find out the U shape of the notch. Yes, the U shape notch is there with the 6.3 inches of the display, and it has a beautiful selfie camera of 25 megapixel. It's been powered by your Snapdragon 665 and is currently running out on Android 9, but soon is going to be upgraded to Android 10. Just one thing where the Motorola is lagging is that they're not providing any sort of AMOLED display at this price range, but they're providing the Full HD Plus and is of 1080 into 2260 pixel, which is enough if it doesn't feel any difference between the AMOLED display and the Full HD Plus. It has a resolution of 19:9, and if I talk about the price for the 4GB and 64GB of internal storage is priced around 14,000 rupees. Just a lag is there in the display panel, but that's okay. Moreover, the specification of the other things, if we talk about the processor, if you talk about the battery, if you talk about the camera, everything is there included in the package by the Motorola. So from my side, I give this a definite buy if you want to buy a Motorola phone instead of any Realme or the Redmi phones. Just Motorola doesn't has provided any sort of 6GB or 8GB into this mobile phone, but overall this phone looks very much great. It even has a 3.5mm audio jack and a Dolby Atmos sound system onto this Motorola G8 Plus. Now I believe that Motorola is going to make a comeback into the Indian market and its market share is going to increase, and the consumer will love this phone of the Motorola G8 Plus. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Still, if you have any suggestion or any comments, do comment below and let me know what you think about this Motorola G8 Plus. Whether it's going to make any mark into the Indian market or the Realme, Redmi, Samsung is not going to make the Motorola going to survive into the Indian market. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to more for such videos. And this is Manish and I see you all in the next video.